welcome to today's video. I'm extremely excited because after living in Croatia for 3 months, I'm gonna share with you Ali and I's top 5 sightseeing destinations in Croatia. And the reason I'm so excited is because honestly, I believe that Croatia is one of the most beautiful countries on planet Earth, and you're soon gonna find out exactly why that is. So be sure to like, subscribe, share with a friend, and let's go ahead and get to it. First, we begin our journey in the northwest corner of Croatia in the Istrian Peninsula, and specifically in the picturesque medieval hill city of Motovun. So Motovun, or Motovan, was built by Venetians and is obviously extremely beautiful to look at from a distance, as well as to explore through the old village itself. But aside from all of the sightseeing, it's also a great place to sample some local Croatian wine. And really some of the best wine that I've ever had was here in Motovan. There's a unique grape, both in white and red variety. This area is known for truffles, and as you're walking through the city, depending on the season, you'll likely smell the scent of truffles being cooked into various dishes, some really incredible food. So if you're looking for more of a calm, quiet, and romantic getaway destination in Croatia, I definitely recommend Motovan, which is about a 3-hour drive away from the capital of Zagreb and about an hour drive away from the city of Pula, which is also in the Istrian Peninsula. Now for sightseeing destination number 2, we move not too far away toward the southeast to a place called Plitvice Lakes National Park. So Plitvice Lakes are this collection of literally dozens of beautiful, majestic waterfalls of all different shapes and sizes. And in my opinion, some of the most beautiful waterfalls, not just in Europe, but in the world, are here in Croatia. It literally feels, as you walk into this park, like stepping into a fairy tale. And if you only have one full day to spend in the park, honestly, for us, that was enough to really see some of the top, most beautiful sights that the lakes had to offer. And also, as another kind of pro tip, if you do plan on visiting Plitvice Lakes, I highly recommend considering staying in the village of Slunje, or Slunj, which is located about 20 to 30 minutes toward the north of the parks. And the village of Slunj itself is a sightseeing destination as well. It's this very cute fairy tale village that is built where these two rivers connect. It has its own set of waterfalls. The people there are amazing. You have some of the best trout that you'll ever taste in your life. And like I said, a very convenient destination and fairly inexpensive as well. So definitely recommend putting Plitvice Lakes National Park on your bucket list. Moving further south still, we arrive at sightseeing destination number 3, which is Zlatni Rat, also known as the Golden Horn of Croatia or Golden Horn Beach. And Zlatni Rat is this incredibly picturesque, beautiful Clearwater peninsula that is located on the island of Brač, which is about a 1-hour ferry ride from Split, Croatia. And then once you arrive on Brač Island, kind of travel south on the island via taxi or Uber. So obviously Zlatni Rat is known for its beauty, and you can actually get a beautiful view from the sky of the beach if you go parasailing like Ali and I did, which was an awesome experience and definitely recommend. But aside from just swimming in the silky saltwater or parasailing, there's also a ton of other aquatic activities, including kayaking, paddleboarding, jet skiing. There's even an inflatable obstacle course, basically like a playground for adults out on the water. That was so much fun. Oh my gosh, meeting new friends, slipping and sliding around. I could have literally spent all day on that, but I'm also kind of a kid at heart. So one of the most fun stops that we had, one of the most beautiful stops that we had in Croatia as well. So definitely recommend Zlatni Rat. And for sightseeing destination number 4, we move to a place that may be a little bit unexpected, and that is the capital city of Zagreb toward the north of the country. So Ali and I almost didn't go to Zagreb originally because we thought, hey, there's places like Prague, Budapest, Vienna, these other beautiful cities in Europe. Why don't we go to Zagreb? But we thought, you know what? We're in Croatia, let's go ahead and go. And I'm so glad that we did. It is filled with beautiful architecture that really impressed Ali and I, from different cathedrals and art museums. There's even this beautiful, gorgeous cemetery nearby that was actually a really, really interesting experience. Ali and I went on this outdoor scavenger hunt through Zagreb, looking for clues, and learned a lot about the city and saw a ton of different aspects. And if I was going to live in Croatia, it would 100% be in Zagreb. Very inexpensive, easy to get around. People there are really great, a ton of restaurants as well. So if you're looking for more of an urban experience in Croatia, or you are traveling in or out through Zagreb, it is definitely worth spending at least 1 or maybe 2 days, if you can, exploring the city. You definitely won't regret it and you'll have a lot of fun. And last, but certainly not least, we move to sightseeing destination number 5, almost completely south along the coast of Croatia to the iconic and old city of Dubrovnik. Now, you've likely heard about Dubrovnik if you've heard about Croatia. It's where a lot of scenes from the TV show Game of Thrones were filmed. It's one of the most popular, if not the number 1 most popular destination to visit in Croatia. However, despite its popularity, we 100% recommend and believe it is worth visiting. If you visit Dubrovnik, you are not going to be bored. There is so much to do, from just walking through the city and looking at the magnificent old architecture. You can take a tour to learn more about the history or learn more about the Game of Thrones shooting locations. You can go cliff jumping in Buzabar. You can go take a cable car up to this high point to look down at the city and the surrounding area. Take a 20-minute ferry ride out to Lokrum Island, which is another one of our favorite islands in Croatia as well. Just packed with so much to do, this lively, energetic vibe throughout the city, but really worth putting on your list, even despite being so touristy. And obviously, there are a ton of other amazing sightseeing destinations in Croatia that didn't quite make our top 5 list. So if you'd like to see those destinations, we'll have a link to our full Croatia playlist, our entire adventure kind of summarized. Link will be in the description section below, along with all of our other great resources. And we hope that you loved the video. If you found it valuable, let us know by giving it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe for unexpected adventures, not just here in Croatia, but all around the world. And if you know of a friend considering visiting Croatia, definitely be a good friend and share this video with them. And as always, thank you so much for watching and your support. God bless, and look forward to seeing you in future adventures. Until then, ciao!